Hello and welcome to Insightful Wanderer, your go-to channel for insightful and informative content. In this new video, we'll be discussing a topic that's gaining a lot of popularity these days: online freelancing. In this video, we'll discuss what online freelancing is and provide tips on how to become a successful online freelancer. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or work full-time from home, freelancing can offer a flexible and rewarding career path. Online freelancing has become a popular career choice for many people around the world. Freelancing allows you to work from the comfort of your own home, set your own hours, and choose the type of work you want to do. In this video, we'll go over what online freelancing is and provide tips on how to get started. What is an online freelancer? An online freelancer is a self-employed individual who offers their services to clients over the internet. Freelancers can work in a variety of industries, including writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. They work on a project-by-project basis and are typically paid either by the hour or by the project. Tips on how to become an online freelancer. 1. Identify your skills. The first step to becoming a successful online freelancer is to identify your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are important questions to ask yourself because they will help you determine what type of work you can offer to clients. 2. Create a portfolio. Once you've identified your skills, it's important to create a portfolio that showcases your work. Your portfolio should include samples of your best work and should demonstrate your skills and expertise. 3. Determine your rates. As a freelancer, you'll need to determine your rates. You can either charge an hourly rate or a project rate. It's important to research industry standards and make sure that you're charging a fair rate for your services. 4. Build a strong online presence. To attract clients, it's important to build a strong online presence. This can include creating a website, setting up social media accounts, and joining online freelancing platforms. 5. Network. Networking is important in any industry, and freelancing is no exception. Join online communities and forums related to your industry, and attend networking events if possible. In conclusion, online freelancing can offer a flexible and rewarding career path for those who are willing to put in the work. By identifying your skills, creating a portfolio, determining your rates, building a strong online presence, and networking, you can become a successful online freelancer. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful freelancing career, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your goals. And that's a wrap on today's video about online freelancing. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Insightful Wanderer, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. And if you have any ideas or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you. So make sure to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.